Welcome to my YouTube channel QAQC and NDT, where I would like to share some of my experience with you guys regarding mechanical construction project. So today we discuss about welding defects. The 10 common weld defects we should know. First one is lack of penetration or incomplete penetration. The second is lack of fusion or incomplete fusion. The third is undercut. 4 spatter. 5 slag inclusion. 6 cracks. 7 porosity. 8 overlap. 9 warpage. 10 burn through. We individually discuss about all the common defects by causes and prevention. Let's see. LP generally occurs during butt welding, wherein the gap between the metals isn't filled completely through the joint thickness. This means that one side of the joint is not fused in the root. We understand the causes and prevention. The lack of penetration, the main reason causes are incorrect use of welding techniques and wrong electrode size and low deposition rate. The prevention of the lack of penetration and incomplete penetration is using the correct welding techniques and higher deposition rate and proper electrode size selection. If you follow this prevention and the causes are very minimized and the chances are not become for lack of penetration. Incomplete fusion result from poor welding wherein the metal pre-solidify, forming gaps in the weld zone. When the welder cannot properly melt the parent metal with the base metal, it results in a lack of fusion, which is called LF. LF reasons are low heat input resulting in metals and not melting. Second, wrong joint angle, torch angle and bead position. The last one is extremely large weld pool. The prevention are for LF, higher welding current and slower travel rate to ensure the melting process of the metals. Second one is improving welding position such as joint angle and torch angle and bead position. The third is lower deposition rate. The lack of fusion defect look like this. See the images. The third point is undercut. It occurs with a depression as a notch at the foot of the cord. To correct this discontinuity, you can reduce the current or reduce the welding speed. See the below images of undercut defects. Let's understand about welding defects, undercut causes and prevention. The causes are reasons: high arc voltage. Second is incorrect electrode selection or wrong electrode angle. Third one is high travel speed. And then about prevention, a smaller arc length, voltage and travel speed. The second one is 30 degree to 40 degree electrode angle, and the last one is reducing the electrode diameter. If you follow this prevention, the undercut will be recover and found less. Let's understand about spatter. Spatter is a welding defect that occurs when metal droplets are discharged on the metal surface. It is solidifies and becomes stuck on the metal surface once it cools down. In most cases, spatter does not alter the structural integrity of the weld, but generally it has to be removed, adding to the total cost. See the below images of spatter defect. Now we understand why spatter are generated in welding. If we high arc length, maintain high welding current, improper shielding of the heat affected zone, and using the wrong polarity may create excessive spatters. The prevention is choosing the correct weld polarity and selecting a better shielding gas and better shielding techniques, reducing the welding current and arc length to optional conditions. If we maintain the prevention, the spatter are not we come in weld areas. The fifth defect are slag inclusion. A weld bead that contained slag in its composition compromises the toughness and structure of the metal. Slag inclusion may occur either on just the surface of the weld metal or in between welding cycles. This weld defect is commonly to process that use flux such as stick, flux coat, submerged arc welding and brazing. Slag inclusion why occurs. Incorrect welding angle and travel speed of the welding torch. Second is poor pre-cleaning of the edge of the weld surface. Last one is low welding current density resulting in inadequate heating of the metals. If we maintain the prevention, these defects are minimized. The first one is higher welding current density. Second is optimal welding angle and travel speed to avoid slag inclusion in the weld pool. Last one is consistent weld edge cleaning and slag removal of each layers. The sixth weld defects are cracks. Cracks are the worst welding defect since they can rapidly progress to larger ones, which inevitably lead to failure. Weld cracks are mainly classified depending on how they form in the weld bead. The main reason are generate the cracks. The first is using hydrogen shielding gas in welding ferrous metals. Second is ductile base metal and the application of residual stress. Rigid joint that constrain the expansion and contraction of the metal. Last is use of high level of sulfur and carbon. The prevention is preheating the metals and gradually cooling the weld joint, then maintaining acceptable weld joint gap. The last is selection of the correct welding materials. The seventh common welding defects are porosity. Porosity is the formation of holes in the weld pool resulting from gas bubbles that cannot escape. It is usually one of the common welding defects when using shielding gas, which is present in welding techniques such as TIG and stick welding. Absence, lack, or too much shielding gas may lead to metal contamination, which reduce the strength of the weld. The main reason why porosity are generated. The first point is unclean welding surface. Second is wrong electrode selection. Third is lack or absence of shielding gas. Then mishandled or damaged shielding gas cylinder. Then either too low or too high welding current and fast travel speed. And then control prevention points are cleaning the weld surface, using the correct welding electrode, preheating the metals before welding, proper gas flow rate setting to achieve the right amount of shielding, and regularly checking for moisture contamination and the shielding gas cylinder. Last one is adjustment of welding current and travel speed settings. The another weld defect is overlap. Overlap is the excess metal that spreads out around the bead. The spread out filler metal is not properly mixed with the base metals. Typically, it comes in the round shape over the weld zone. Overlap causes and prevention. Causes is incorrect welding procedure. Second is wrong selection of welding materials. Last one is improper preparation of base metals. The prevention is first smaller welding current, use of proper welding techniques, and last one is shorter welding electrode. The next common welding defects are underfill. Underfill occurs when too little weld metal is deposited into the joint. As a result, some of the parent material remain unfused and the joint is underfilled. These unfused sections, even when small, act as potential stress raisers. The underfill cause first low welding current, second too high travel speeds, third incorrect weld bead placement, and last one is laying weld beads too thinly in multi-pass welds. Then prevention we have to be follow the proper electrode size selection and selecting the right current settings and avoid moving too fast. The last common defects are burn through. Burn through an open hole is exposed when the welding process accidentally penetrates the whole thickness of the base metal, creating a burn through or melt through. This is one of the common weld defects when welding thin metals. The burn through comes in weld. The main reasons are high welding current and extreme gap to the root. The next is not enough root face metal, and the prevention is we have the follow the below rules, below points. The burn through will not become in weld areas. The first is maintaining a proper root gap. Second is control in the application of welding current. The last one is it can be repaired in some cases wherein the hole is removed and rewelded. We discussed about the 10 common welding defects, and in the next videos we will discuss about the another topics the which is main in our mechanical construction projects. Thank you so much for this and watching my videos throughout. Thank you so much.